if I could get a penny every time I watched a show where Jung So Min's character pretended to be married to a guy that she barely knows just so that she can get a place to live in, I would have 2 pennies. You know, naturally, when I heard that there's another show called Would You Marry Me, jahan pe Jung So Min again is, you know, entering into this fake marriage kind of a scenario just so that she can have a place to live in, I was like, okay, let's give it a premise. Ye hai that Jung So Min is out that her boyfriend is cheating on her, and in the meantime she wins a contest where she has won a house, but the only, like, there's a criteria for it is that she has to be a newlywed, so she has to pretend to be married. And then she finds Cheuk Shik, and he has the same name as her ex, and then they kind of pretend to be married so she can get the house. And because this is a K-drama, he turns out to be the greenest of green flags, and they fall in love and live happily ever after with like minor plot points here and there. थोड़ा तो inconvenience होगा. From my tone, you must have realized that I was not impressed by this show. I did not hate it. I'll tell you very honestly what the problem was. I should not have watched this show after watching Because This Is My First Life. He is a green flag, but I never understood why he loves her. Like, I never got sold on their love story to begin with. I get why she loves him. He's like really caring and everything, but this guy finds out that this girl is his first love, the ladki from his childhood who had been nice to him for all of 5 minutes. He was like, oh my god, now I love her. And I'm just like, okay, but you only love her because she's this kid that you knew when you were a kid from long time ago, and you knew her for 5 minutes and she was kind to you, which is sweet. I'm not taking that away, but I don't know, yeah, you know, for it to be even considered love in my books, or, you know, like have a reason to, I don't know, be in a relationship, you need more than that. Like, do you even like her? Do you even know anything about her? Nothing. But overall, बहुत ही simplistic. It's a very straightforward storyline. Acting is nice. You wanna watch it, it's a nice easy watch. Just do not make the mistake of watching Because This Is My First Life before Would You Marry Me, because the premises are very similar and it even has the same female lead.